just another beautiful day at the studio working really hard. Hi guys! Yikes! I think it's time to vacuum.
Toys for you.
And vacuum we shall. Guys, you are not in the wrong place. You are at what's inside, and it's time to see what's inside the vacuum cleaner. But first we need to clean. Yay! It's snowing! It's snowing! Woo! Yay! Okay. And now it's cleaning time. Woo! How nice is this? I love it. And now let's empty the bed. That was awesome. Guys, now let's see how this works. Now it's time. I'm very curious. What do we have here? Okay guys, so we have the electric motor and here is a propeller or a turbine. What we understand right now is that nothing much happens. In order for this vacuum to work, it must be sealed. So the suction would be through a small air passage. And the wheels and the screw that shouldn't be here. Okay, now let's put it together, guys. After closing it, I realized I forgot to insert the hose. So this, and now it's good. Take a look. So the air comes through here in this compartment. From here, and it sucks the air through here. And now it works. Thank you for watching. I haven't forgotten your request. Yellow and the blue Wally robot. Where is the blue Wally robot? It's here somewhere. Guys, it's coming up. Yellow, next clip for you. So guys, keep commenting. This request was from my behalf. I was very curious to see how the vacuum cleaner works. So now I know. Keep commenting and you may be in the next clip. So see you in the next one.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.